Hey guys, so you know how sometimes when you're scrolling through YouTube, Facebook, and you're trying to find some sweet side hustles and side hustle ideas that you can use to make extra cash, but it looks like everything is just geared towards coding, Web3, is geared towards web design, UI, UX, and you're like, God, I don't even have a laptop. How am I going to do this? I've been there before. So guys, that's how I'm going to shake things up a bit today. I'm going to shake it up today. So, I mean, don't get me wrong, there are tons of awesome side hustle videos out there, but sometimes it feels like they are speaking to a different person, they are speaking a different language entirely, right? So I'm stepping in to fill that gap for you girls today, especially for all the amazing women out there who are juggling a million things at once. This video is going to be your safe space, your go-to guide. I assure you that by the time you finish watching this video, you're going to watch it over and over so that you can to follow the right step, to follow it keenly so that you can make the results you deeply have always desired. So it's going to be your go-to guide for all things side hustles, tailored specifically for the ladies in the house. Mind you, the guys can also hop onto these websites, but today's is going to be for the ladies, because let's face it, we also need a slice of that financial empowerment pie too. We need to eat that national cake. So from making money online to hustling from the comfort of your home, we are diving into it all at once. No more feeling left out or overwhelmed. It's time to grab life by the horns and make those dollars work for us. So sit back, girls, sit back, my viewers, my beautiful and wonderful viewers, relax. Let's get ready to kick some side hustles together. So with that being said, let's get right into it. If you're new here, hello, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shallybuilds, and on this channel we talk all things earning more and building wealth, side hustles, and today we have a really good one. I'm going to be sharing side hustles that will help you make lots of money per week and a month and help you take a leap to your financial freedom you've always desired. Now, side hustles that appeal to us women, of course, some of them are easier to start than others. That's just the fact, and some of them earn more than others as well. I'm gonna be honest, that's true. And in fact, number 7 is my personal favorite, because you could earn over $1,000 in a single day. Yes, I repeat, you could earn over $1,000 in a day, and more women need to start doing this as well, but we'll talk about that later in this video. So if this is the kind of content that you enjoy, then please go ahead and hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube can do well to spread this wonderful video to several other women out there. So without further ado, let's get on to this side hustle. Number 1 is to help job seekers with resume writing or cover letter writing. This one is relatively easy to start. You just need to set up a LinkedIn account. If you don't have one yet, please do go ahead. There are various YouTube videos on how to set up and customize your LinkedIn account. Okay, set up your LinkedIn account and advertise your services on there. There are people who are constantly going on LinkedIn to search for jobs and to search for people who can help with cleaning up their resumes and cleaning up their cover letters or their LinkedIn profiles in order to get good jobs. Of course, whenever you save someone the stress of going through all those processes and help them also get gigs and jobs, you make their lives better, and they are more than happy to give you their own coin. You get it? Yeah, I know you get it. So now number 2 is to become a ghostwriter. There are people who are launching books nowadays, and do you think they are all sitting down to write those books? Sometimes nobody is going to tell you this. I'm going to tell you this. Sometimes they don't sit down to write those books. No, they just hire ghostwriters to write it for them. The ideas might be their own. Yeah, definitely the idea might be their own, but they might own the rights to all of the content. But there are some people who are behind the scene, sometimes writing for them. They are called ghostwriters. Let's take for instance your ChatGPT. ChatGPT could be a ghostwriter because you give ChatGPT the idea, and that's why, man, ghostwriting is a very good one, because if you're a very intelligent person, you can even go through courses that will help you know how to prompt ChatGPT to give you the best answer you desire. So ChatGPT can become your ghostwriting to set up a book. All you have to do, go through the courses that will help you know how to prompt ChatGPT, and then bring the idea of what you want to ChatGPT, and then click create. It creates you a very good, nice book according to the prompts you give it. So you can also do this for other people. If writing is your thing, if that's something you already do at home anyway, then you might as well start generating income from it. There is a girl who makes over $37,000 just ghostwriting on Fiverr, and she makes this in a year as a freelance writer on Fiverr. I mean, that's how much doctors make in how many years. So she makes it in less than a year. And she just works full time, and now that she's a ghostwriter, she makes a lot of money, and she has put smile on so many people's faces, on her parents, on her family's extended and nuclear family. So you can do this, you can start up, you can take that bold step to become a ghostwriter on Fiverr, on Sprout Gig, on Upwork. Just go out there and put in your services to work. Now, the number 3 is what I call like getting paid to enjoy luxury. It's called house sitting, because we all deserve nice things. Besides, we're children of the Most High, and some people have vacation homes, some people have multiple homes and houses, and they don't want to leave their houses bare, and they actually don't even trust some people they don't know to come into their houses to clean it up for them. So you can fill in that space. They also don't want to rent it out full time, so they look for house sitters like you and I to sit in their homes, stay in it, take care of the homes while they are away. And you can find these services on a website like care.com. Hop onto care.com and see how it works. Number 5 is to join a marketing focus group. You can actually get paid to show up as yourself. When you show up as yourself, maybe as a mom or a doctor or as a black woman or as an Indian or what have you, they want to hear your perspective because they want to sell their products to all types of people. So you can represent your type of person in a marketing focus group. So all you have to do is to search for a marketing focus group in your area and be a part of it, and start getting paid to give your unique opinion about a product or services. Number 5 on my list, which you can start out for 2024, is if this video has been helpful to you and you've really learned a lot so far, why not consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell. You know that feeling when you are scrolling through Instagram and you see those effortlessly chic influencers strutting their stuff in the latest designer, just wearing their latest designer threads? Let me tell you something. Behind those dresses you see are personal shoppers, people who, instead of these influencers going to market, they go there to go to the market themselves and are paid. So you can be one too. Personal shopping is not just reserved for the rich and famous people. No, it's a real deal gig that is booming now, all thanks to the website that cater for these boogie fools who would rather sip champagne and enjoy their lives in their cuisine or whatever in their house than come to the mall and meet crowds here and there. These guys are living their best lives while you are out there living your dream as a personal shopping genie. So it's a win-win. You are getting paid to shop for them, and they are getting paid, they are paying you, and they're just sitting down there relaxing and believing that you get the best products for them in the market. Now, there are very numerous and wonderful ultimate websites that will connect these high flyers with you guys who are personal shoppers, who are ready to tackle their shopping list. Now, think of it as being the fairy godmother of fashion. So if you've got a thing for style, an eye to details, like an eye for detail, and the patience of a saint when it comes to hunting down that perfect statement piece, then personal shopping might just be your calling. Get ready to turn shopping into a very interesting adventure. Now, number 6 on my list, one of the best 2024 side hustles you can start out as a woman is to become an Amazon associate. Your favorite influencers don't want you to know this girl, but every time they talk about a product on their Instagram story, they link it and you click and you go buy that product. They get some coins out of it, especially when it's linked to Amazon. So your YouTube can become an Amazon, your Facebook, your social media handles, your TikTok, your Instagram, what have you, can become an Amazon associate. But of course, you're going to have an audience somewhere, but it doesn't even have to be a large audience if you want tools and resources to grow your audience. Number 7 is my favorite, okay? Is my favorite, all right? So listen up, because I've got a hot tip for you, very hot tip that's going to drop wisdom bombs scattered everywhere. Have you ever considered being a virtual assistant? My friend who is a virtual assistant has been making lots of money from, and she's paid weekly. Every week she's the money drop, every week money drop. It's a very interesting side gig. All you have to do is just have your phone, be ready to answer calls. Like, this lady answers calls. I mean, I won't even be surprised if she starts speaking with people in her dream. I won't be surprised, because it's a very serious side hustle that if you are ready to communicate with people, man, you are all good to go. All you require is to do is have your phone, have your internet connection, have your power supply, and then know how to talk to people. So you may not even really know how to talk to people, but as time goes on, if you will learn on the job. But sha, don't go and talk to somebody and run the person crazy. You'll be sacked ASAP. So if you're the type who's got their ducks in a row, you can juggle a million things at once, and you know your way around social media, then this virtual assistant gig is just your calling. Did you know that small business owners, like even big shot CEOs, they are looking for people that can help them manage their appointments, their emails, their social media posts? Don't be scared, Sha, because that's where you come in. As a virtual assistant, you are like their trusty sidekick. You always come in to save the day, to answer the social media posts, the calls, the emails, and what have you. So whether it's scheduling meetings, managing their inbox, or crafting killer posts for Instagram, you've got this covered. And the best part, you can do all this from the comfort of your home. I'm telling you, my friend doesn't go out in a day unless she decides to. She does it from the comfort of her home, and she does it remotely. So if you're ready to be one of these heroes that will save these companies and business owners, there are plenty of websites out there where you can sign up and start ranking and getting in that cash. It's like being a lifesaver and getting paid for it. Why wouldn't you love to do it? So get on to it, become a virtual assistant, and start cashing out from the comfort of your home. With that being said, let's get right onto the number 8 website on my oh my god, I'm always saying website, side hustle on my list. Very dope for 2024. So before we continue, if this video has been helpful to you, why not consider subscribing, turning on the notification bell, and giving this video a thumbs. So number 8 is one of my favorite topics, because let's face it, more women need to be talking about this. First off, we've got to get more women into investing. It's the secret source and stepping stone for building wealth, honestly, and it's about time we all got a taste of it. Investing is where the magic happens. It's like planting seeds for your financial future and watching them grow into money trees. But here's the thing, we need more ladies to be exercising their investing muscles, because they actually need to do it. They actually can do it. It's just they need someone to make them take that bold step, push them. I'm here to push you and encourage you to take that bold step and take charge of your financial destiny. So here's the deal. If you want me to dish out more videos about investing down the line, you gotta tell me in the comment sections right now, because currently we're all about side hustles and all that. But if you're ready to level up and dive into the world of stocks, bond, ETFs, and all about making money online, drop a comment below and let us know. So number 9 is let's talk about flexing your creative muscles and designing logos on different multiple platforms. Just imagine that you got your laptop fired up, or even your phone, and then a cup of coffee is just beside you at the ready, right? And you are about to dive headfirst into the world of logo design. Now there are tons of platforms out there just waiting for your genius to grace their digital pages. We're talking about places like Fiverr, Upwork, 99 Design, Design Hills, Template Monsters, and all that. These are like your virtual playgrounds, right, where you can showcase your design chops and reels and your talent and your passion, and convert your passion into money making skills. And if you've been following my previous videos, you know that I've talked about some seriously mouth-watering tips on how you can make bank selling cashes from your designs and logos. It's all about finding the right platforms that suits your style. It's all about finding the right place that resonates with you, setting your prices like a boss, and delivering top-notch excellent work that will have your clients coming back for more and even referring others. So in whatever you do, make sure you do it excellently, make sure you do it well so that your clients can refer more persons to your services. So whether you're a minimalist master or a maximalist maven, there is a platform out there just waiting for your creativity. So get ready, unleash your design skills and rank those profits like a pro. Now, number 10 is to become a mystery shopper. I know this sounds mysterious, but it's really not a lot of business, right? It's really not a lot. Businesses want to know what the customer experience is, right? And they also want to know what customers think when people come into their stores, whether there is online store or their physical store. They want to know how their customers rep and rate their businesses are doing, how their cashiers are doing, and they pay people to be mystery shoppers to walk into the stores to buy a few items and document their shopping experience. There are tons of websites out there where you could sign up to become a mystery shopper and start generating income to do something a lot of people already are doing. So you can become a mystery shopper, get into a store and examine, rate the user experiences, how the user interface is, how the cashier reacts, how the is it the salesperson persons react and all that, and rate and submit your review. With that you get to earn lots of money. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and beyond it I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I pray that you get the confidence and courage to actually start putting these lessons to work. I love it when you all leave comments letting me know how much you're learning from this video. Nothing gives me more joy than to see you guys actually step out in faith and put some actions behind these lessons. I want to hear you tell me, I started these side hustles, I couldn't make ends meet before, but now I have more than enough. I want to hear you tell me, I started my business, I wasn't making sales before, now I'm making a lot of sales. That's what I want to hear. And that would happen when you push past your fears, push past your limiting beliefs, take that bold step. I love it when people take that bold step and start taking action. I'm rooting for you, okay? And I need you to root for yourself as well. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. So don't forget to also have a good day. See you in my next video. Bye.